Hi, I'm Dennis Lanzaat and today I want to show you a memorial wreath with Kalanchoës. Kalanchoës are perfect to use outdoor. They need little water and they bloom with lots of flowers for a long season. So this existing wreath we're gonna give a little upgrade, but first we have to sort of cut it apart. So basically now we just have the branches of the dates, so now it's time to wrap up our Kalanchoës and we're gonna place them in here with a little bit of the coconut fiber. Just make a little nest for the Kalanchoë and we're gonna put it in there. So it's a nice matching color, and then we take some binding wire which has metal inside just to keep it all together. And then we're gonna put them into the wreath. Today we're working here with double flowered Kalanchoës and they give a nice full look. They look very rich and I always like to put them closely together so you get a more compact feeling with them. So when we put the last one in, of course we have to put it all together again. So we're gonna use some more of the wire and then in between the plants and just make this quite tight. So we're gonna make quite some of these connections here until we're absolutely sure that we can move this. So I think this will work with any kind of wreath. So if you maybe have a willow wreath or from some other type of branch, you can perfectly use this. You just have to cut it a little bit apart first. And of course the ultimate test, that should work. Of course it's not very even just yet, so what we're gonna do now is put some glass tubes in there and then we're gonna cut some of the Kalanchoës and use them as cut flower so you can change it a little bit around. So this Kalanchoë, we're gonna use it as a cut flower. As you can see, they're double flowered, really full with a little bit of a darker shade inside. So you get all these nice pastel colors here. So all the leftover branches, I'm gonna reuse them and put them there over the flowers to get some more depth in there. I think this way you have a beautiful arrangement to put on an existing wreath that will last for a long time. The Kalanchoës don't need that much water, and with the glass tubes in here you can replace some of the flowers so it has a different look every time you visit. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to use Kalanchoës in a memorial wreath, and I hope to see you next time.